Welcome to STM Canna's Revolution Grinder videos. We're speaking a little bit about the main touchscreen here on the front of your Revolution grinder. Right here, we're going to see basically a pre-grind checklist here, which is going to indicate what we need before we need to grind it, basically showing our material needs to be at appropriate level for us to grind it. After we've met all the specifications here, we go ahead and press the OK button, and we see this main menu screen. Now, we're going to move a little left to right here, and basically here on the left-hand side, we're going to see blade speeds. Each one is going to indicate a different percentage of speed, such as the first one is going to have 100%, the second one will have a 50% blade speed, and the final one will present a 10% blade speed. Here at STM, we do recommend most of the time running with 100% blade speed, depending on the product quality that you have. Over here, we have an on time and off time, indicating our auger on time and our auger off time, meaning if we're on for 3 seconds and then it'll go off for 3 seconds. These can be changed by simply clicking on the button here and moving about the menu screen as such, and I can change it just by pressing on the numerical value that I need. And pressing enter will change it, and of course I press escape, so we're going to go back to 3 on that, and as well the off time again can be adjusted all the way through. On the bottom right hand corner of the screen here, we have an amperage meter indicating if the blade is clogging up or not. Now if it does happen to go into the red zone over here, we're going to be meeting something of either too moist a product or clogging the blade. If it does happen, it's going to stop the auger on the top. You'll see these times still on the same numbers that they are. However, the auger will not be operating. When that happens, it allows basically the chute to clear and the blades to grind up the rest of the product. Once it is cleared, the amperage meter is going to go down on this, and it's going to allow for these times to start again. But until the amperage meter goes down for the grinder blade, it will remain no movement on the auger and the blade still moving. On the top right hand corner screen here, we do have the on-off switch, which is simply just pressed for on and pressed again for off. Thank you very much again for tuning in with us. Please contact our client services department if you have any other questions or any other things that you need to ask us, and we'd be more than happy to address them or possibly get a video out for you. Thank you very much and take care. Have a good day.